not like and subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I wanted to talk about Sea Limited, right? Sea Limited, its price actions, and I think it's a really good opportunity to go long on Sea. And I actually already got some leaps calls, and I'm gonna go over the. But let's start with chart, right? See, great company. They're just growing their revenue like crazy. If you look at that, they were just doing, they were doing, yeah, 414 million in 2020. They're like 4.39 billion, so they're like growing almost like double, right? 60, 70, 80%. So they're growing their presence and in Asia, and they're doing extremely good. But they're pretty good earnings, but after the earnings with the whole market, they really dumped bad pretty much, right? So we're around here, I think, like right around the earning. Yep, 340, 350. After that, we have got a quite a pullback, almost if you look at the percentage, it's quite, yep, almost 45% from the high, right? So I think it's a great opportunity to go long for a C. And if you look at the technical standpoint, right? So what I was seeing is, if you look at this, is a previous support, like we bounced back really well from here, the same area, 200 area. And one time we kind of went, well, we did not really close it, but we gapped down, but really it was kind of by the dip first. So this area is really key area, and it happened here too. So three times here, and it acted as resistance too before a couple of times. So the really key area we are. And if you look at the price actions, right? So from the top, you see a lot of selling pressure. You see all the red volume, like really huge selling, right? People just selling, selling, selling. But if you look at here, seems like we got a big the volume, big volume, right? Really big green day with the big volume. It wasn't really huge swing in price, but quite a volume. So seems like this is the key area where they are holding it, right? So also the momentum has kind of lost before really good price swing. Now it just has stopped. So I'm not saying like it's not gonna go down. I mean, nobody knows that for sure, but it seems like a really good opportunity to go long, right? So I think absolute bottom I see, if we even go down a little bit, is probably 160, 170. So there's about 20%, like 200. So we can go up to more 20%. I think that would be probably, unless like something really bad happens. But if you have a really tight stop loss just below this low right here, uh, if you're planning to go there like 185, so that gives you like 20 bucks, kind of 20 bucks. But C could easily see 280, right? So there's like 2 hour 3 hour kind of risk reward. So what I'm doing is, I loaded like five leaps for 2023. I'm gonna go over them. Yeah, I think 2023. So I got some leaps, but I think it's really good opportunity here. uh, quite a uh, quite a good support, and seems like it's holding. I know the market is not really good, but just looking at the individual chart, I think it's a great opportunity in the long run. Stocks are probably the safest, so there's no theta and whatnot. But if you're thinking of option, that's what I got. So if you can look into it, right? So I got around 6 or 7. So right now it's 6. So kind of the price is moving all over. But if you go to the options, right? So I'm talking about the leaps. I'm not really swinging short term. So if you look at 2023, yeah, 2023, 24, 24 gonna be a little bit expensive. But if you go 2023, and my plan is probably like, if you get, somewhere of 2022, maybe sell it. But I don't know why it's really slow. Yep. So I got some 200 calls, which are, yeah, I got some 200 calls. I think I got two calls for 200, which are like 46 or 47. I grabbed somewhere around there. So pretty good. Not really. It just needs 19%, which is for C. Like if it's a good day, they can do like 10% in a day. So not really nothing like a crazy, like which where you cannot really go. And if you are looking for a little bit cheaper options, I think you can even do 250 or even 300, right? 250 right now, going around 28.96. So there's quite an open interest, right? 8,000. So volume today is just for, maybe I got those, but yeah. But 8,000, that's a quite a open interest, right? So there's a lot of open interest. And if you look at ask and bid, 28, 29, you'll see those for these leaps. So as you go closer, it will be kind of near. And also the as you go closer to the strike price, the stock price reaches kind of around the stock price, that would be pretty good. So yeah, I think this is pretty good opportunities. And yeah, if you want to do stocks too, I think stocks pretty good, but looks like this is holding in this area. And other thing is, right, like I'm not just looking into this other things. If you want to really confirm it, what you can probably do is go there and go to 4 hour, right? Yeah, look at this. Kind of look at this, it's